Ladies and gentlemen, it is an absolutely fantastic day today. The reason why, we have the newest everyday folder ridge knife in the royal black color. This is absolutely looking beautiful. I've already taken a sneak peek at it, and we're gonna get right on into the video. I live in Colorado. I do a lot of box breakdown. I do a lot of unboxing videos. Put this in your pocket for mountain biking rides. God forbid you do come across any wildlife that is dangerous. Survival, you guys get the idea. But before we do get it out, you'll see right below this video, there's gonna be shoppable links for this exact same everyday folder knife by Ridge. So after you're done with the video, go ahead and click on those shoppable links again right below the video screen to purchase on away. So let's go ahead and take a look. And the reason I got it in royal black is because I just reviewed the royal black color check-in suitcase. So we got a little pamphlet on top, talks about the specs. This has a Swedish steel drop point blade, secure and reliable crossbar lock mechanism, and a deep pocket carry clip, which is always nice. All right, so you're like, Chris, just show me the knife already. Absolutely will. First and foremost, we have ourselves a nice little holder for it right here. Little Ridge logo right here at the bottom. And that's not a belt clip if you are wondering, it's just a holder for it. So let's get that out of the way. And let's take a look at our knife right here. Very, very nice. There's our deep pocket clip, as we can see right there, slipping that in your jeans, having that out on the ranch, having a really fancy unboxing knife, flipping it around right here. Very, very stunning royal black color. All right, so no logos, very sharp with the outward design. Now let's go ahead and flip it over and pull it out right there. Very, very nice. We got a Ridge logo right on top right here. Obviously sharp, do be careful. Black right here. Again, a nice flip out design. Lockout mechanism until your thumb or whatever finger you want pushes this down right here, and then it locks back into place right here. So sometimes for like unboxing on unboxing videos that I do for this channel, I just pull it out a little bit. Do be careful, obviously, but then like to flip it out like that and then go ahead and put it back in. So if you want to do that, obviously do be careful, but you can flip it out just as we saw right there. So let's just go ahead and show you on a piece of paper here. Cutting into the paper and beautifully sharp. You're like, Chris, my grandpa's knife could cut through paper. All right, let's show you some nice, I think this is diamond threaded rope right here, and live right here with you. Just snips it in a breeze. Take a look at that. That's actually pretty thick rope too. I mean, not the thickest, but look at that. Whips right through it. Clean cuts. Let's do that one more time. I think you guys get the idea. Well, ladies and gentlemen, again, not over the top large. Love the pocket clip right here. Foldable design, easily foldable. Again, compared to my hand right here, I do have big hands, but as you can see. So this is not only going to be my new unboxing knife, protection out and about in the wilderness, but also you are going to be able to just slay it during Christmas time for opening up boxes and packages and ribbon. I will tell you what. There's people that wait all year for people to say, hey, Pops, you got that pocket knife on you? And you're like, yes, I do. Well, folks, once again, look for your shoppable links right below the video. Ridge has absolutely done a fantastic job with their knife as well as their wallets and their luggage. Check out my channel for all the reviews. Use those shoppable links below. Pick up your products and enjoy. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I am making a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, it helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as Ridge related videos, DIY house projects, and more. My name's Chris. We'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.